Hello guys, today I want to teach you how to build a website, VTU website with just your phone. VTU website is a website where people log in, register on your website, they will buy data and you'll be getting your own commission. For example, you are buying data at the rate of 200 naira from somewhere and you want to be selling it at the rate of 250 from your own website per gig. So this is how you can create the website with just your phone. You don't have to have any skills. You don't have to have any talent before you build this website. This website will look like this, but at the end of this video, you will know how to build it that will look like this, exact like this. You can see alert login, so you'll be able to send message. You see, this is what your website will be able to do. Your website will be able to, they will be able to buy airtime, data, cable, subscription, Go TV, DSTV. They will be able to buy exam pin. So they will be able to fund wallet. They can upgrade to vendor. So let's start with it. You're welcome. You will look for a hosting website. At my case, I'm using truehost.com.ng. Actually, I will drop the link. So here you will search for the name you want to use. So for example, let me say vtuwebsite.com.ng. So if it is .com, you will see the price. If it is .ng, you will see the price. So you will search it here. Now, here is very cheap. It's 1,000 naira. So you add to cart. Then you click checkout. Then you will choose. What do you call it? You will choose web hosting, the hosting you want to use. So then you register a new domain. Please make sure you are following this step. Please register a new domain. Sorry. View cart is not register a new domain. It's view cart. You will use the one you have already had into your cart. So view cart. Then you will choose. You will choose the hosting you want to use. So here you can see. So silver hosting 600 per month. Gold hosting and true host platinum. So I will advise you to choose this one, the first one. So for because of your cost, or let me say because of money. So you would use. So maybe you want to do 1 month, or you want to buy. Let me say you want to buy maybe 3 months. So you don't have to pay for the next 3 or 6 months. So let me choose 6 months. Then we will continue. The total price is 4,500. So you will continue. Then continue. You can see this summary. This is summary of what you want to buy. So this is summary of what you want to buy. So you can just click. I think they have added something here. Supposed to be 4,500. Okay. With the domain. So everything is now equals to 5,500. You will click checkout. Then they will bring a page where you will have to pay. So you will choose maybe debit card, maybe you want to do transfer. So you choose and read, then you complete your order. So from there, so if you want to use card, you will use card. But this is it. It will bring this page, so you will just input your card details and you will pay for it. Or you can actually change method, maybe bank transfer, maybe you want to do transfer. So here it will bring account number you will transfer the money to for safety purpose. So you will transfer the money here. Then after the transfer has been successful, you click I have made this transfer. Then you wait for a moment to verify your your payment. So let's go back to how to build the website. How to build the website. So let me go back through host. I have bought the I have actually bought the everything before. So I will have to go to my client area. I will go to my client area. I will go to my client area. I will go to my so the one I want to use is here APMG Tech. So after you have purchased the the web hosting and domain, they will send you the informations, your login details, and actually you can just come here, go to manage product, click on the website, you will see it at services. So just click on cPanel. This cPanel. Or if you don't want to go through this process, you can just actually go to, I want to use APMG Tech, so I will just do apmgtech.com.ng/cpanel, then click on it. So it will take you to where you will insert username and password. Insert username and password. So it is loading. So you can see you just input username and password here. So in my own case, I'm not using username and password. I'm just going to log in direct. So now this is where you have to pay attention. If you enter your cPanel, it will look like this, exactly like this. So the first step is go to File Manager. Here, this is it. File Manager. Click on it. It will take you to. It will show something like this. So if you show something like this, the second step, go to public HTML. Please don't press any other thing. Just go to public HTML, double click it. Then in some cases the directory will be empty, or you will see 1 2 folder there. The 2 folder will be there. It actually comes with the cPanel, so you will just delete it or you will leave it. Just click upload. Then you will see it will bring this page. Then select, go to folder, then go to where the you will see where you download, where the thing is stored, the files. So in my own case is here under download. So this is it. VTU zip. So click on it, then wait for it to load. So wait for it to load. So where you can get the resources will be under this. I will post the link where you can get the zip folder of this VTU website and SQL file of this VTU website. So just go back. Then you can see that the VTU zip file has been uploaded. Click on it. Then you will see extract. So look at the top. The second line at the top, you will see extract. Then click on extract. Then extract file. So you can see that it has been extracted. So click on the VTU, select all, then move. You will see it at the corner, the second, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth icon, move. Then you delete the VTU at the front of public HTML, then click on move folder. It will move the folder to direct to public HTML. So just click back. So you click back or you click on HTML. You can see it here that it has been moved here. So what you can, to confirm it, just go to your the website you are creating. My case is APMG. You can see it will load the front page. This is where if your customer type your domain name, maybe www.vtuwebsites or www.kazim.com.ng, this is where it will bring them. So on your website, you will just click on. Now let's go to login. So if they click on login, now it will take them to where they can enter their credentials to log in. If they are new customer, they will create accounts. Now how does this work? Now let's go back to our C panel. Now we are done with this. The next thing we want to do now is, so this is our database. Then you will go to databases. You will see databases. Here is it. Most times it may be closed like this, but you just click on it and open it. Click on my database wizard. Then create database you want to use. Me, I'm using WebVTU. So next step. Then click and give it a username. You can still use the same thing. Here you can input any password, but for it to be very strong and acceptable, just click on password generator. Click on the password they generate for you. Make sure you highlight everything, copy it. Before you continue, save the password. You see, I'm using Notepad to save my own password. So then click on I have saved, copy the website and my password in a safe place. Then continue using then create user. You click on create user. Jesus. So after that, you go back, return to my SQL database. So you can see here is database and here is our privileged user. So then we are going back to tools. Click on tools. Then we'll go to my PHP my admin. So here is where we are going to upload our so here is where we are going to import our. So click on import. So click on import. Sorry, let me explain what I just did there. So let me go back. So now this is our PHP my admin. Then whenever, please don't press anything, just follow instruction. Click on databases. Then you will see the database you created there. This is it, web VTU. Click on it. Good. Now don't press anything, just go to import. Then choose, go to download. Together with the thing you downloaded after you click on the link below this video, then you will see the second file, which is helpdesk VTUSQL. So just click on it. Then press go. Now you can see import has been successfully finished. Well, you can see now we go back to structure. You can see everything. You will see something like this. Now the last step, let's go back to our dash, our let's go back to our cPanel. Sorry. So I'm backing it. We are going to cPanel. I want to back it to cPanel. Okay. So I think I will just have to skip. So this cPanel, I'm back to cPanel. So we'll go back to File Manager. Then public HTML. Click on it. If it does not bring it immediately. So now we are going to link the next thing we want to do is to link the database with the website. We also copy the name, go back to the database, my SQL database. You can see this is the name of the database. Click on it, copy it, go and save it. Then the username also is the same thing. Copy it, then save it here. So now let's go back. Now here we want to link the website with our database. Click on File Manager, public HTML. Then you will look for the folder called core. This is core. Then click on model. Again, click on press on the model. Then it will bring out this option. Then click on edit. My bad. Edit. Then edit again. So it will show this information. Then click on the database name, delete it, then paste the one you copy, delete the second one. So the password, go back there, copy the password, Click on it. So you can see that the public, you can see public static DB name. I copy the DB name, that is database name. Then username, I copy it and I paste it here. Password, I do the same thing, I copy and I paste. So the next thing is to click on save. So after that, it will save, then you will close it. Now let's try to log in. Here I will try to log in. Just write a phone number and type nonsense password. If I click login, it must show me error alert. You can see now it's working. Now let's go and create account. Let me write APMG tech phone number APMG global company, then continue. Okay, I'm in Oyo State, Ibadan. Okay, let's register. The password is different from each other. Let's rewrite it. Okay, still different. So let me just use simple password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So register. You can see that registration successful. So if I click OK, it will take me to home. Now, as you can see, this is landing page. So buy airtime, it will show here. Now if you select network, maybe 08144 054808. Now if it is original network, you can see that it will mark it that yes, this is MTN. So if you want to buy 100 naira, you set it yourself. So now let's go back to data. So you can see the same thing, you set it, you choose the plan, and so on and so forth. So okay, cable subscription, GoTV, DSTV, start time, you choose it and you input everything you want to input. So you can see here. Now so as simple as that. Now the next thing to do, you have created your VTU website. Now let's log into admin page, APMG admin. So this is admin. So I will log in. Now let's try to log in. Here I will try to log in. Just write a phone number and type nonsense password. If I click login, it must show me error alert. You can see now it's working. Now let's go and create account. Let me write APMG tech phone number APMG global company, then continue. Okay, I'm in Oyo State, Ibadan. Okay, let's register. The password is different from each other. Let's rewrite it. Okay, still difference. So let me just use simple password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So register. You can see that registration successful. So if I click OK, it will take me to home. Now, as you can see, this is landing page. So buy airtime, it will show here. Now if you select network, maybe 08144 054808. Now if it is original network, you can see that it will mark it that yes, this is MTN. So if you want to buy 100 naira, you set it yourself. So now let's go back to data. So you can see the same thing. You set it, you choose the plan, and so on and so forth. So okay, cable subscription, GoTV, DSTV, start time. You choose it and you input everything you want to input. So you can see here. Now so as simple as that. Now the next thing to do, you have created your VTU website. Now let's log into admin page, APMG. Admin. So admin is the password and username. Admin. And see, good. Now here you can see this is my API wallet. The amount I have in my API wallet. So this is the amount my customer have on their account currently. This is my agent account. So currently I have 21 customers. I can actually view them. All my 21 customers, you can see. This is the messages they sent to me. This is the total number of the transactions they have done. This is the total number of people that visited the website today. Here you can see everything. So here is the front page. This is the place I showed you earlier. So let it load. This is the dashboard. As you can see, everything will be on the website when you create your own. So user, this is where you had another admin. If you have another admin, this is where you actually add them. You can add them, you can block them. Maybe you want someone to be managing the website for you. This is where you can actually add them. Now subscribers, that are your customers. Now let us see. This is the account APN Tech APMG. This is the account I created first. You can see when we want to try to log into the dashboard, you can see the time is 4th of June today. Let's check the time. Okay, you can see it is June. So let's see now here you can also do another thing. You can actually create account for your customer directly from this place. You can create account for your customer from this place. Also, you can credit your customer, credit them. Let me credit myself 10,000 naira, 100,000 naira credit. You can add the reason, then update. You can see my old balance is 0 naira, my new balance is. Now let's go and check my account, apmgtech.com, login. You can see it has show the number I used to log in. So I will just input my password. Okay, so I will click on OK. As you can see that the amount has been added automatically. So you can actually do that
if your customer send money to your account manually. So let's go back to the dashboard. I can also debit customer here. Let me debit myself. Let me say 70,000 naira. Let me say mistake, then update. Now, if I go back and refresh, you can see the amount there has been reduced to 30,000 naira. So as simple as that. Now let's go to also here credit user. We still bring it out here. You can input if you know the user's Gmail, you can just use this credit or debit. So this is another way to credit or debit your customer. Now these are your services. Those services you render on your website. Here, this is where you set discounts for your airtime, the airtime you are selling. Maybe you are getting it at the rate of 97 and 97 naira on every 100 naira. You can start selling it at the rate of 98 naira or 99 naira for your customers. The same thing MTN, this is where you edit it. You can see how many percent will your customer pay. 98%. You can input it as 100% for normal user. Then agent will pay 98 naira, while vendor also will pay 98 naira. You can see it has been updated. Now let's go back to services again. Data plans. Here is where you set all the datas you are selling on your website. As you can see, this is where you will set all the datas on your website. So this plan ID is the code for the data your customer want to buy. So this is the code that will be sent to the website that is affiliated to your website. For example, we are using mascawa.com. Using Mascawa sub as our API. So let me log in real quick. So my password and username, everything is saved already. So I will log in. I think currently I have 450 on this account. So I'm using another account, not my general account. So after you log in here, you have to upgrade your account to API user. You can see API, my account has been verified. So I have 450 here. Now, what you will do is you will go to API developer, copy your API authorization token. Here, you can see, copy it. Go to your own website, click on admin dashboard, then go to API settings. You can see API setting here. Long press on it and click it, then go to update, then go back to your dashboard. So here it has been updated. So you can see it has been updated. Now let's go back to Mascara. So this is what we call the ID I am talking about, the 312. Let's go and check one and verify. Here you will go to services, data plan. So this is MTN SME 500 MB. The plan ID is 212. Let's go and verify if it is true. MTN 500 MB. MTN. MTN 500 gig. Sorry. 500 MB. Okay. This is SME 500 MB. This is 240. You can see it here. It is 240. So we have to update it here to 240. This is 212. So if we try to buy data, it will not be successful. So let's verify if it will be successful. So buy data. So SME. Can you see that it is successful? Now it is. Can you see that I have received it instantly? So 500 MB. Can you see it? Now, if I go back to my balance and I check my balance, you can see it has been reduced. So now let's go back to our admin panel. So let's go back to services. So that is what the ID work for. You will change all the ID. If there is no glow here. So if you want to add glow, you will just add the network glow. Then name, if it is corporate. Okay, sorry. Then ID, the number. Let's go and check for any glow ID here. Let's check for any glow ID. Glow ID. Okay, let's use this one is 1.35 gig. 1.35 gig. 1.35 gig. How many days? Is for 30 days. Then what is the code? What is the code? So the code is 240, 246, 246. So 246. So here you insert the price you want to be selling it. The price you want to be selling it. Now they are selling it 460 here. You may decide to sell it at the rate of 500 for user buying price 460. Then here you input one glow network here. Glow, let me say 1.35 gig. Let me say corporate. Then 246. Let's go and verify if it is 246 for you. 246, yes, it is 246. So 30 days price 500. I'm selling for my users at the rate of 500. I'm buying it at the rate of 460. So yeah, my agents, I'm selling for them 490. 490. Okay, let us add the plan. You can see it has been added successfully. Now customer can buy
Glow data successfully. So as simple as that. So also, let's go back to services. The cable subscription. Here is where you will set your cable subscription. Go TV. How much are you buying it? How much do you want to sell it? This is where you set their prices. This is where you set their prices. So let's continue. This is where you see all the transaction all your customer did. For example, I buy 500 gig data just now. You can see, you will see the phone number they send it to. You see that this one, the one that failed, before we go and correct the data ID, you can see that this one is successful. So you can see it. This is how you can actually trace your customer transaction. Very simple. You can trace it here. Also, this is where you send notification. The notification that you can see, hi, you are welcome, so blah 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 blah. So this is the welcome message. This is where you send it. I can edit it, I can delete it. So here I can actually edit, I can delete. Let me say, okay, this is testing purposes. This is for testing purpose. I'm teaching how to create VTU with phone. So add, if you click on add, you can see it has been added successfully. Now let's go to the website and refresh. You can see that it has shown this is for testing purpose. I'm teaching how to create VTU website. So typing error there. So you can click few more. So you can see it has become two here. This is the first one. This is the second one. You can see the day I create it. So that is how the notification work. Then messages.
If you want to check, maybe your customer send message to you, private message to you, so this is where you will check it and reply them. So site settings, this is where you um set the website name. Here let me change it to APMG. So the website, let me say APMG Tech. So this is the amount I want. Any of my customer that want to upgrade, this is the amount I want that will be deducted from their account. Vendor, this is the amount that will be deducted from my account. Wallet to wallet transfer, if they want to if a customer want to transfer to another customer, it will deduct 20 naira. So referral bonus, this is where you will set it, and then you click update. You can see it has been set. Here contact, I can set my contact, my phone number, email, WhatsApp, maybe I have WhatsApp group link, Instagram group link, Telegram, everything. This is where I will set it. Network settings, this is where if there is no MTN network and I have to disable it, so customer will be aware that currently no MTN network. So here I will just click disable. So all MTN will be disabled on my website. So let's go and check it if it is true. So let's go to dashboard. Yeah. Okay. Buy data. Then let's click. You can see it has hide MTN network. You can see that the MTN is not visible here again. Why? Because I have disabled it. That means there is no MTN network. If your customer sees something like that, so let me enable it again. So I have enabled it. So let me refresh. So you can see that it is back. So that is how that one work. Also, you can do that to Airtel. You can do it to Glo. You can do it to 9Mobile. So as simple as that. Now API settings. This is where I have showed you before. This is where you will input everything here. Just copy and paste it. So the name of the website here is so this is how it will be here. You said so here Monify. Now this is where I want you to pay attention. Monify, secret key, all those keys. This is where I want you to pay attention. Here you have to create Monify account. So let me Monify. So I have Monify account before. If you are finding it difficult to create your Monify account, you can just message me. I will help you on creating your Monify account. So I have, let me log into my own Monify account. APMG Global Company. You can see I have, this is it. Now here you will go to developer, you will copy API link, then secret key, API link, secret key, then you will go and insert it in your API key. You will go and insert it on your dashboard there. The same thing to modify. You go and copy your paste tag. You copy your paste tag key, so automatically it will generate account for your customer. So manage account here is where you can change the name of your account. This is where you can change the password. So that is that. And I think with this little lesson, you have understand how to create VTU website. Now this website, let's go and buy data once more for you to see that okay, maybe it's working or not. So let me buy another 500 MB to my number, then buy, okay, 0000, continue. So as you can see, it is successful. It is successful. Then I will receive the message now. Okay, can you see the message has entered? So let me go and check my balance. So this is it. It has reduced. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I will make sure the link to this VTU script is available under this comment section. All the links will be available. Thank you. God bless you.